Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today we're making Christmas ornaments. This video is part of a collab challenge. It is hosted by Heidi Sonboul and designed to the nines. I'll link to those lovely ladies' channels below as well as the playlist. I've been saving old Christmas cards for years and I have quite a few, and I wanted to use those as an upcycle along with some old rusty jar lids that I had from canning. So I decided to use some Rust-Oleum spray paint and make them look like new. I prefer this aesthetic. However, I do realize that farmhouse and distressed is very in this year, so feel free to use these old rusted out ones or use some chalk paint and distress them yourself. That would be very cute as well. For this project, I also used gold ribbon that I had in my craft room, as well as scissors, a hole punch, a pen, and because I don't know what I did with my glue gun, I'm just using school glue. This is probably not the best glue to use because it takes forever to dry. These ornaments are so easy, I had my boys help me make them. I just got out all the supplies, spray painted my jar lids, and set them to work. We're using these jar lids as frames, so we have to go through our Christmas cards and decide what we would like to put in our frame. So it's just a matter of lining up the jar lid and seeing how you'd like to place your picture. Then I showed them how to take a pen and mark around 4 corners of the jar lid. Once those marks are made, if you can see them, we're going to put the flat of the jar centered in that space and draw around that. Now we can cut it out. Now that the picture is cut out, we need to decide where we're going to put the hole to hang it. I'm just going to use a hole punch, but first I have to decide where the hole goes. So into the frame it goes, and with a pen I'm just going to mark the location where I'd like to punch the hole. Now that the hole is punched, we can use our glue, and again, I would not recommend school glue. It just takes way too long to dry, but we're just going to put the glue in around the edges of the inside of the jar lid. We're going to flip the picture over and stick it inside, and when the glue dries, we're going to take a piece of ribbon and hang our ornament. And that's how quick and easy it is to make this DIY upcycle Christmas ornament. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new upload. I'd also like to invite you to take a stroll through the playlist so that you can get all sorts of other inspiration for DIY Christmas ornaments. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.